So, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
How are
ma'am.
you all?
Good morning,
Uh,
ma'am.
yeah, and Al-Fatih, you will be having the assessment tomorrow, okay? The Cambridge assessment you will be having tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. And please inform.
Tomorrow, what time?
Uh, I will just message you, okay?
Okay.
After the classes, you will be having it. And
After classes, which class? Just class, right?
yeah, your regular classes after your regular classes you will be having. Okay.
After my classes, I have to join here.
Yes, you need to join here and just
Is
inform
it today or tomorrow?
yes, Al-Fatih.
Is it today or tomorrow?
No, tomorrow, not today, tomorrow. And one more thing, you just need to inform Abib also, okay? He didn't join for the assembly, so just
Okay.
inform him also, okay? Ah.
Hmm?
I don't know what happened to my camera. Did this happen with you?
No.
Okay. After this assembly, let me restart and check whether it will be okay. Okay, so Barira, Sidra, and Al-Fatih, please turn on your camera. Ah, yes, I can see you now. Okay, so Barira will be presenting a thought today. I told you yesterday, right, Barira? And Sidra's song, I think Sidra is not prepared, right, Sidra? You're prepared. Okay, then you can go for
No,
that.
I'm prepared.
Okay, then you can sing this.
No, let Parina do it first.
Oh, so Barira, can you present the thought?
I went to this huge park,
Yes.
and it was really fun, but the water park was closed, and I even got to have ice cream, and there was not that much there, but I still had fun,
Still you?
and there was this challenge if you can you can stay on the bar for 30 seconds
Then?
or minutes, I don't know. And then you can, if you win, then you get a big Dubai chocolate thing.
Who's going to do that?
They said if you win, if you wait for 30 seconds or maybe 30 minutes, then you can I'm pretty sure they said 30 minutes. Then you can have the world's biggest Dubai chocolate. So yeah.
What happened to my camera?
Once I tried, I kind of fell because I don't really have good grip. And then my dad tried, and he was so close, but he also fell.
Okay, then which is the first ever for you?
What?
Which is the first ever for you?
Okay, wait, let me check my calendar.
Maths.
Who's Matt?
Maths.
Matt.
Okay. So
Mm,
Zilla ma'am is on leave today. Someone else will be joining. Okay. Okay, then bye. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
Guys.